When your body need a reset, reach for this detox juice that's packed with good health benefits and work as hard as you do. So if you want to see how, continue watching, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you will be trying this green detox juice. Guys, if you do your research, this is very healthy and good for our body. Yes. So do try this one out and do your diligence and do your own research, okay? And I won't be adding any sweetener to this. I'll just add my lime juice. Lime or lemon juice is good and we'll enjoy. So here you have it, guys. And if you're watching for the first time, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. In that way you'll never miss another upload. And to my day one returners, thank you guys so much for coming back. I do appreciate all the support. So let's keep going, guys. So just like the video, share as I mentioned, drop me a comment below, and I'll catch you in another upload. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.